So really excited to be down in Cape Town today and up in Joburg next week Wednesday, welcoming all of our customers to the V12 launch. It's awesome to spend time with our customers. It's awesome to introduce the platform to them and all of the challenges that we resolve, and can't wait. At the V12 launch, we have multiple customers joining us, we have partners joining us, we have our teams at the events, and really just expecting to give the customers and the partners a flavor of what's to come in V12, what it is we're announcing. It's already been launched, and really let them integrate, talk amongst each other, ask us questions, happy to share what we know. So V12 is a platform enhancement on top of the versions we've had before. We've added more than 500 new features to the platform. It's a significant step up on what we were doing before, and it solidifies our position in the enterprise space. We also have our sponsoring alliance partners ExaGrid here. Really happy to have Dave and the team along, and really looking forward to having a bit of fun with them and getting their message across alongside the V12 launch.
As ExaGrid, we're the title sponsor for the function, so super excited to have that role at the launch, and a huge congratulations to Veeam for launching the product. And as ExaGrid, we're super excited to be able to take advantage of some of the new features coming out in Veeam 12, together with the great features we've got in ExaGrid to ensure customers that secure protection of their data and swift recoveries whenever needed. But yeah, congratulations to Veeam for the launch, and really excited to be the title sponsor.